Kapirlitiu Higher Secondary School Shillong hakajingas nok tilang bat ka forever young bat mat chaprang kumjuru bat katana social welfare jong ka sarkar jila manda ka sngi thoding ka arpu sautrik kala pelong ka parents day ne ka sngi ki kimi ki pa ya ka bala pelong hapo hall jong ka ni ka school hakapa UMLA jong ka not Shillong constituency uba Adelbert Norum ulalong kum ugun kongsan hakajinge don lang principal jong ka ni ka school uba tu san lang khar sati kinong hikai ki kimi ki pa bat kumjuru ki khana puli uba Adelbert Norum kum ukongsan ula ajing yaro ekani ka school ka bala penlong ekani ka program ka bakkan mauru ekasngi jong ki kimi ki pa ki ba pensan penrangba ela ki khun ulaong ban shuk long tang ki kimi ki pa ka long ka basuk henrei ban long pat ki kimi ki pa na ka banta ban sneng ban kraw ban ai man sim ban trishitom bat khendu ela ka jing em na ka banta ban penbit pynbiang ela ki khun kam de ka basuk bat ka de ka lenti ka ba e bha.
So, I believe that this will not be just a mere event of academic week. I'm sure that it will remind all of us the powerful of being as parents. Parents are of a very vital play, a very vital role to play in today's, as we are facing as a society, the situation which we never experienced before. I believe that parents play in a child growth is a very important to be acknowledged. Let us all not forget the very fact that a great society begins with strong families, where love, guidance, and responsibility are taught. I believe that you all agree to become parents. It is very easy. But to be a real parent through dedication, through sacrifice, their own life for the better tomorrow of our beloved children. It's difficult and it's a very tough task. Ngunit balong tumirong pa, balong basok, ngunit balong kita tumirik pa. Basong tu siya, ya kedua, jom jalan tumirong pa, kami basok. Kemudian jomblay kepada wan hikai yo pernah kumlu de baliem bat un kenmal ya ka barok serta kejinut jomo train of a child in the way he should go, and even when he is old he will not depart from. Proverbs 22nd, Proverbs 22 verses 6. I take this privilege also to acknowledge the school as no doubt we have seen the progress and the prosperity as we continue to give the best along with the school. Myself as an MLA, local MLA of this constituency, whatever be my capacity, I'll do anything without hesitation to uplift the school, as a school will not end up just by a path education, but I strongly believe that the school will build our beloved student, whom I believe they also are the children of the future generation. As students, we should be proud of being a root and a culture, as well the identity. As we, as a state, as a society, we need to go ahead to strive to the goal. I also believe that teachers are playing a very vital role how to motivate, to shape, and to bring up the student so as to be a better citizen of the future. As teachers, they are not just an educators, but I believe they are mentors, guides, and motivate moral and creative excellence for our beloved student. Nasomu yublay, mayo kalat, hakaban ay, their contribution to our local Malay, the Kamram to John Sunday, the school, Santa Cold School, the Omru Santa Cold institution, the Nakamata Paro, Ibrahim for a constituency. Hamtam Puri for a Kamida Puri. Ilong Kumalik Internet, Wi Fi. Wale sila kita non parajan, khun, kitrot, which I firmly believe that parents in today's they are like Wi-Fi. Being together nearby, our children, they are doing good and better. But when they are apart from that, present together with our children, the Wi-Fi become weak. For which I believe the student or the children are become weak. I also believe that our beloved student of the school will strive hard and aim high, as we all are expected you to be the instrument, the asset, an instrument, an important asset of the society. I will not prolong my speech, as once again I would like to extend my best wishes, a very happy Parents' Day for beloved parents, as we know that their tasks and responsibility are tough enough to deal with our beloved children nowadays. So I wish that our God Almighty will continue to bless all of us, especially this beloved school, so that we may see the light of the day, that this very school will produce many useful assets towards our state as a whole. So this is a very few words. Once again, I take this opportunity to extend my best wishes. May God bless you one and all. With these very few words, I conclude my speech. Thank you.